Galing.
Pumiyak lang ako. Hindi dapat ganun yun. Dapat ganun siya.
Ganun.
Let's all give a big hand for Ann Gordon!
The night goes by so very slow. Oh, and I hope that it won't end alone. Let's go back to Canada. Till now, I always done mine on my own. I never really cared until I met you.
Thank you, thank you. Ay. Hi, Ann. Ang galing mo dun. Hindi kita kinaya. Nagtatatakon ako ng mga kung ano-ano dun. Muntik ko nang itapon si Martin Rivera dun sa audience. Sobrang galing mo. Ano? Galing.
Pumiyak lang ako. Hindi dapat ganun yun. Dapat ganun siya.
Ganun.
Pumiyak ako kanina, Miss Ray.
Okay lang yun. Hindi na nila alam yun.
Hindi kumana yung in-ear ko.
Hindi kumana? Bakit hindi kumana?
Ayan, tuloy na po yung ako.
Oo, kasalanan ng in-ear. Ha? Ano?
Oo, isa pa. Una sa lahat, hello, Vancouver! Okay ba yung pagbirit ko?
Ang ganda.
Yes! Promise,
Ang
Miss
galing mo
Ray.
siya. Oo naman.
Nagandahan ka ba talaga? Nagandahan mo ba yung sa pagkanta ko? Pwede mo bang magkadulat tayo?
Of course. Of course.
Promise?
Yes.
Gusto niyo ba yun?
Gusto niyo ba yun? Wala rin naman kayong choice kasi nandito na kami.
I think ang challenge po, Miss Reg, hindi kayo mahawa sa akin.
Grabe ka naman. Bakit naman mahahawa? Mahahawa ako na kagandahan na bet ko yun.
OMG! This is gonna happen! Please give it up for the Asian songbird, Miss Regine Velasquez!
those who say right now we'll live in freedom.
And every moment seems we're going like a stream running, dreams running all the way to God.
I could stay away just to breathe, watch you smile while you're sleeping. Every moment spent with you is a moment of
Don't wanna close my eyes. I don't wanna fall asleep 'cause I miss you, babe. And I don't wanna miss a thing. 'Cause even when I dream of you, the sweetest dream will never do. I still miss you, babe. And I don't wanna miss a thing.
It's one time. I don't wanna miss one thing. I just wanna be with you right here, right now, just like this.
I just wanna hold you close, feel your arms so close to mine, and just savor in this moment for all of the rest of the time. Yeah. Close my eyes. I don't wanna fall asleep 'cause I miss you, babe.
And I don't wanna miss a thing. 'Cause even when I dream of you, the sweetest things you ever do is to miss you, babe. And I don't wanna miss a thing. I still miss you, babe. I don't wanna miss a thing.
The sweetest things we'll never do. I still miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss a thing. I don't wanna miss a thing. I don't wanna miss a thing. I don't wanna miss a
Uy, ang galing mo ah! Don't wanna miss a thing yung kahit ako nga, hindi ko na makanta yun.
Ang hirap! Thank you po. Okay po ba?
Thank you very much, everyone. Miss Ann Curtis!
Miss Regine Velasquez Alcacid! Thank you!
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless you all.